early this evening. For Tuesday, mostly sunny. Humid with highs in the upper 80s. Northwest winds around. Weather bulletin. Weather message. For the following counties, in Pennsylvania, Allegheny and Westmoreland, the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, West Central Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, until 4 p.m. At 3:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wilkins Township, or over Monroeville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Monroeville, Greensburg, Jeanette, Plum, West Mifflin, Murraysville, Wilkinsburg, Munhall, North Versailles, Swissvale, O'Hara Township, Forest Hills, Wilkins Township, Duquesne, Fox Chapel, Turtle Creek, North Braddock and Pitcairn. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 52 and 64. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 77 and 84. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. This is NOAA Weather Radio KIH 35 in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, operating on 162.55 megahertz, originating from the National Weather Service in Moon Township, Pennsylvania. The forecast for Pittsburgh and surrounding counties for tonight.